Notebooks.app just dropped. And if you're into productivity, writing, or using AI to supercharge your workflow, here are 7 crucial things you need to know before you waste time or money on the wrong tool. Stick around because some of these features are game changers, especially the one near the end that completely changes how I take notes now. You can try Notebooks.app completely free from the first link in the description. And trust me, after testing hundreds of AI tools, this one caught me off guard in the best way. Let me show you why. First off, the user interface is stunningly clean. It feels like a fusion of Notion and ChatGPT, except more streamlined for thinking, writing, and getting things done. No clutter, no learning curve. It just works. Unlike other apps that bolt on AI as an afterthought, Notebooks.app is built around AI. That means everything from brainstorming ideas to refining your writing is powered by GPT-like tech under the hood. But it stays invisible unless you need it. It doesn't interrupt your flow. One of the standout features, the Ask AI sidebar. You can highlight text and get suggestions, rewrites, translations, anything, without switching tabs or copying and pasting into ChatGPT. It's built right into your note-taking process. This alone saves me 20-30 minutes per session. Next, it supports infinite nesting and linking between notes. If you've ever used Roam Research or Obsidian, you'll appreciate how Notebooks.app lets your ideas connect naturally without forcing structure. You're building a knowledge system without realizing it. It also has a built-in writing partner mode, literally like having an AI co-writer that helps you outline, expand, or simplify text based on what you're working on. It's not just smart, it's context-aware, which sets it apart from typical AI assistants. Another major plus is real-time sync across devices. You can start on desktop, pick up on your phone, and everything's exactly where you left it. No lag, no weird formatting changes, which for writers and knowledge workers is a breath of fresh air. Privacy-wise, they claim your data is encrypted and not used to train models, which is a big deal for anyone working on sensitive material. I still recommend checking the full policy, but it's clear this isn't just a data grab like some free AI tools. Here's the feature that surprised me the most: smart templates. You can spin up a project planner, blog post, meeting notes, all with AI-ready formatting baked in. It saves so much time, and they're constantly adding new templates based on user feedback. If you're thinking, this sounds like it replaces 5 tools I already use, that's exactly what it does. It's a note-taker, AI assistant, writing tool, and knowledge base all rolled into one. And it's just getting started. Again, you can try Notebooks.app for free right now from the link below. No credit card, no gimmicks. And if you're still not sure, check out the other AI tools I've recommended in the description. I've tested thousands, and only the best made the cut. Don't sleep on this one. If Notebooks app keeps improving at this pace, it could be the AI workspace of the future.